Hello guys, welcome to Ikra Technology. So today we will see constructors in Java. A constructor in Java is a special method within a class blueprint that gets called whenever a new object of that class is created. Okay, so here we have a note that the constructor's name must exactly match the class name. Constructor do not have a return type. Okay, the constructor is automatically called when an object is created. All classes have constructor by default if you do not explicitly define it. Okay, Java provides a default constructor. However, the default constructor doesn't allow you to initialize fields without specific values. Okay, so constructor helps to save time and improve readability. So we will see the basic example here how a constructor is created. For example, here we have a class. We have defined a class name. After that, we can give any constructors. Okay, like here we have given public class name, and then we have given the body to the constructor, and inside it we can also give the parameter to the constructor. Okay, so here it is written that constructor can also accept parameters. Okay, as I told you, allowing fields to be initialized at the time the object is created, which makes us to save a lot of time. The following example demonstrates a constructor with parameters. It defines two parameters, string model name and string color name, which are used to initialize the field color, model and color. When we create an object such as car1, uh, new car Toyota blue, or car2, new car BMW red, we set model and color for each car. So it basically gives us to give the value to the object while creating it. Okay. So if we have to handle a lot of objects, means if you have to create a lot of object with a blueprint, then creating a constructor saves a lot of time. But if you have to create one or two only, then it is better to not create it. Okay, so here this example we have taken in our Eclipse IDE. So let's see there only. So here we have a class car, and then we have another class practice. Okay, so in that class we have some characteristics of that class, which is model and color. So car have models and colors. Okay, so after that we have created a constructor with parameter. Okay, so here we have a constructor car where we have used public as an access modifier. Then we use string model name and string color name. Okay, so both the values will be in a string. So here we have model name and color name. We have give both this value as our parameter. Do you understand? After that we have given a method where we are printing the color and model of the car is driving. This will be the string which will be represented with both the parameters. So the benefit here is that while in our main method, okay, in our execution method, when we create the object of the car, so here we have created the object of the car. Okay, so here while defining the object, we can give the values to it, which saves a lot of time. As we have seen previously, we have to give the values to the object after defining it one by one. So while we have to create multiple objects of the class, then we have to use constructors, which can save a lot of time of us. Like here we have defined two cars, car 1 and car 2, and we also defined the values here only, and we can print that method directly so that our object can be printed directly. So let us create one more object to make you understand. So first we will give the class name here, then after that we can give whatever name we want to give to our object. After that we use the new keyword, and which is very important as I have told you previously, and then we give the class name, and in that we will give the values what we want to give. Let us give here Honda. Okay, and another value we will give will be our colors yellow. Okay, so I will give semicolon at the end, and sorry, we have car 2 already, we will give the car 3 here. Okay, and then we will print the method we want, like here we have car 3 name, and then we will print the method which is drive. So it will automatically caught that here the name color will be our yellow and the model will be our Honda. Okay, so if I will run, the 3 car output will be printed directly. Okay, See, the blue Toyota car is driving, the red BMW is driving, and the yellow Honda car is driving. So this is how constructor saves a lot of time of us. So make using constructor can help you to create multiple objects in a few minutes. And below here you have some tasks which you have to practice so that you can understand better. Okay. So today we saw constructor in Java. Thank you.